Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo 3, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. For me, that will be the home screen that is already open and visible on my screen. Now, once the content that you wish to capture is visible for you, simply press the power button and the volume down at the same time. Get this pop-up right here, and it gives you a capture, like a scrollable screenshot, which was grayed out because there's nothing to scroll, and you also have the share option. Now, the reason this scroll shot is unavailable here is because even though I can technically scroll down, what it does is it brings up a app tray. So there's nothing like, for instance, I have right here that I could scroll down. So in here, that option will actually become available to me. And it just allows you to capture a long version of the screenshot so you can continuously scroll. As an example, in something like Instagram, you could just continuously capture more and more and more, and the screenshot would become longer and longer as a single image. So once you capture a screenshot, you can find it by going into your photos, and by default, when you're located in the Photos tab, it might show up right here, but the easiest way to find any kind of screenshot will be by going to the collections, and at the bottom you have this list and you have screenshots. Now in here you don't just find screenshots, you also find screen recordings, but it's still much easier to find whatever you're looking for between just screenshots and screen recordings rather than entire library of images, videos, and so on. And here are the two screenshots that I have taken. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.